Welcome everyone. Today we are at Petit Poisson Dumplings. We're gonna try out this place. Apparently it's really good, so we're gonna eat some dumplings. So they brought us out some shrimp chips. There was actually a lot more, but Julia has just discovered these and has been eating most of them. I used to have these a lot when I was a kid, so I've also been eating a lot of them, not gonna lie. These are so good. Here's the menu for this place. There's actually a second page too. It's the appetizers, soups, teas, and just the drinks. So we're here with some friends, so we got a whole bunch of dumplings. We got some shrimp and coriander, some lamb and coriander, and some juicy pork and something else. I don't know, but we also have
one had cabbage. No, the cabbage was the fried one.
Yeah, and we have a pork and cabbage coming in. That's going to be fried, but these look delicious. And here's the fried dumplings. These are pork and cabbage. I don't know why they have little like stuff on the side, but like
Almond fried.
whatever. It's probably still delicious. So update, we savaged everything, and then we also got some edamame now that we will continue to savage our way through. So I totally forgot to film the dumplings coming in, but we ordered a whole other set and we finished it all. These were beef and onion. They weren't as good as the other ones,
They weren't
not
as
gonna
good,
lie.
no. The pork ones were better.
So we just finished dinner. We were there with Tori and Patrick.
Hello.
So it's pretty good. That whole meal.
It was actually pretty decent. It was really good. Quite flavorful.
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah, I was really happy.
For those 5 sets of dumplings and the edamame, it came out to $70.
The edamame were overcooked though. The edamame were overcooked though.
It was pretty good. I would recommend. We should go there. And so we're heading. Tori invited us to her place to have some
Tea.
yeah, some after meal tea. So
After meal tea. Some après tea.
So heading there now. All right, we just finished up at Tori's place, so it was nice catching up with them, and time to go home now. So see you guys next week. Bye.